We came to see Salrop's
Yeah, and I'm washing my hands using
library.
water.
How do you feel the library?
Feel like studying.
Feel like studying. Okay, that's good. Mm. This is a beautiful library which is owned by Alkalic. And you know this is who is this? Beautiful cabin. Beautifully designed. These are the guy who came for coffee. This is the reception, and this is sir, congrats. Okay, beautiful, really, very clean, very nice, and cute like the owner, the proprietor. Oh, I saw coffee bowl. How good. Which means coffee is served already, huh?
You have cold water, sir. Yes.
This is Madam Kim, senior citizen.
Water.
This is
I'm
my
taking-
driver,
Taking over my
St.Mary.
Yes.
Me and this one, Hajira. And this is the proprietor of that poultry well pixel being rare. And this is owned by Sal Jacob or on Miller, not that clear. And this
So
is
water, please.
the fisherman.
Cold water, please.
If we use another term, we call it Peter. This is small visa. Mini visa.
Amoy, genau, der Jamoy to you.
Hindi. Papagandi.
Tanok role. Po hitting hala. Amoy,
Hindi.
Ting, bazam lah, susun em nak di. Jam hala. Oh, jam. Ansang, Hinting hong harole. Oh, kam, jam hong thorole. Jam thorole, jam thorole to. Ansang Smile. Mecha nu. Balam nok la swalai sen na fe ba la. Tlum ta chu. Ibia tu min lan ye kani tlum ta chu. Amel cha nu. Mel cha nu. Mel cha.
Kadi